Well, the day has finally arrived. Alright. The day has finally arrived. It only took me 5 months. Yeah, you heard me right. 5 months. Get my knife here. It took 5 months to get this shit, yo. Unbelievable. I ordered this damn thing back in April. I got this. I ordered this exhaust. And as you probably already know by the title, you already know what exhaust it is, judging from the title, right? I bought this exhaust back in April, yo, and I'm just now getting it. 5 months later, almost 6. Next week is October. Yo, where you going? Get over here. Damn dog always trying to be slick. But yeah, yo. I never thought that I would pay this much money for an exhaust, neither. I currently got a Graves exhaust on the bike now. But let's see what all the hype is about. You always see, I don't know how many videos I watched. You know, we all been there. I type in Austin Racing and I just watch videos of the damn exhaust, you know. And believe it or not, yo, I don't know nobody. I've never met anybody that actually has an Austin Racing exhaust. So I've never heard this thing in person, you know, to be like, you know what? It sounds good. It sounds good, but it's not enough to buy one. Kind of like with the slingshot, you know what I mean? I used to always think I wanted a slingshot until I rented one for the weekend. And after I played with it, I was like, you know what? I don't want this shit no more. So I never met anybody with an Austin, with an AR exhaust. So I can be like, you know what? That shit do sound hot. I need to get one. Or maybe I don't need to get one. But, and I got the GP, what was it? The GP1RR? Yeah, I got the GP1RR version. I wanted my joint loud. But here it is, yo. In the flesh. In the flesh. I can't believe it, yo. Almost 6 months to get this damn thing. It even smells nice. But like I said, I mean, I just used to YouTube and I just used to search videos and just listen to videos of this damn thing on people's bikes. Listen to it on ZX10s and listen to it on some 6Rs, and I noticed every time I searched a video, it was a country on the east. You know what I mean? You don't see a lot of people in the States with this exhaust, you know what I'm saying? Especially not on a 6. You know, I might see a few, I might have caught a few videos here and there with them on the 10s. Some of my boys were like, yo, why don't you get an acro? I was like, nah. To me, and yo, Kane, yo, get over here. Inside. But yeah, they was like, yo, why don't you get an acro? I was like, man, hell no. Is this the silencer? I thought this didn't come with a silencer. Let me find out they didn't give me the right one after all this time. Nah, I just thought it didn't. I didn't know it came with a silencer. I thought this version didn't come with the silencer, yo. Well, you already know this ain't getting used. If I didn't spend so much money and wait for so long, this would go right in the garbage. Because I am not using this. But thanks anyway. Yeah, got some stickers, some hardware. GP1RR right there. Yeah, got some hardware. Anything else in the box other than peanuts? Yeah. But like I said though, yo, I used to just watch YouTube videos and just hear the exhaust. I'm like, yo, I wish I knew somebody who had one so I can hear it in person. And just never heard it in person. Everybody got an acro, you know what I'm saying? All the ZX10s got an acro. You know what I mean? To me personally, the acros sound good on the leader bikes, on the ZX10 and on the leader bikes, but I don't know, yo. The ones that I heard on 600s, they don't sound that loud to me. They don't sound that loud to me, yo. They don't sound that good. They not as throaty on you know, on our 6s like the 10s, but this is the this is Snow White right here. You know, right now, I got the Graves exhaust on there. I got the Graves exhaust on there right now, which sounds pretty fucking good, trust me. I love the way it sounds. Call me crazy, but I think my Graves with my gutted cat sounds better than an acro. So it sounds better than an acro. But I mean, if you want to hear the Graves, I mean, I got a video up of what the Graves sounds like. I don't know if that video is I don't know when I made that video, if that video is when I gutted the cat. But matter of fact, here we go. Let me give you a little sound test right there. Talking about, I think that sounds pretty damn good, you know what I mean? Like I said, yo, call me crazy, but a gutted cat and my Graves, yo, that shit sound better than an acro, my opinion. But let me go ahead and install this sexy ass beast finally. All right, no, oh, you know what? I don't think that's not the damn, yo, I'm stupid, yo. That's not the damn baffle. Is that the pipe that's supposed to go? I don't think that's the baffle, yo. Comes in and out. Oh, this is the packing. Ooh. There's the packing in there. Nice. See the packing in there? Alright. Well, let's see. Maybe this is what has to fit over the pipe though. Yeah, that's what it is. All right. So, like I said, I can't believe it's finally here, yo. I sat in my living room waiting for UPS to show up, waiting for these niggas to show up, yo. But let me go ahead and install it, and I'll be back with you when I'm done.